Alucast is an aluminium die casting company. It's based in the Black Country. We have 100 people. We've got 4 foundries based here in the Black Country in Wednesbury, and we cast parts mainly for automotive. We're a £10 million business. We're 8% energy use. That's about £800,000 per annum, which is substantial. We got involved with Pro Enviro, who introduced us to the decarbonisation programme. There was an energy audit carried out. We had 10 recommendations made to us. 8 of those were financial, of which we've already completed 3. The first we felt that was really important was sub-metering, where we could look at the individual pieces of plant that were running in order to identify areas of unproductive use. We have a daily meeting now when we talk about the usage of energy on the previous day based on the information that we've got from the sea change data that we get from Pro Enviro. Additionally, they identified that some of the furnaces were inefficient. We decided to get 5 new energy efficient furnaces, and we also replaced a lot of the furnace lids on the existing older furnaces to save energy on the same basis. The gross payments we made was £200,000. We have now received £100,000 from the council in grant aid. The energy savings that we're seeing currently are nearing £50,000 for the first 6 months operation. So we can optimistically look to £100,000 energy saving per annum. I'd certainly recommend any SME to sign up to this energy assessment. It's given us a clear roadmap now to develop our business, to develop our net zero strategy, and to reduce our carbon footprint.